What's going on? What's happening? We are live, everybody. Hey, happy Thursday, February 27th. See if we can make some money today. Welcome aboard for those of you that are new to the channel. My name is Jeff. I've been in the financial markets for over 25 years. Been trading professionally for 18. Primarily option trading. That's my specialty. But I've been trading the futures, ES, for 5 years. 5 years. And for those of you that know, I just recently got introduced to prop firm trading. Didn't even know anything about it, right? I came from old school shit, didn't know nothing. So we're going to be trading some $50,000 evaluations Apex account. All right? And for those of you that want to, we do option trading. We have a live coaching class where we do option trading. Shit. We do masterminds with the ES. We got a free course right now on the futures if you join the school. So anyway, you check it out if that interests you. All right. Y'all have a good trading day. And let's see what happens. All right, everybody. Again, gang, buyers, no sellers. All right. Let's see what we got going on today. Just kind of moving things around. I'm going to let people inside the room. And time to get to work. ES is 23. Let me make sure we're all synced. Yep. Look like we're pretty good. All right. Ready to rock. Ready to rock and roll. What's up? All right. What's going on, Jeff?
Hey, somebody got their internet back.
Dude, I was right in the middle of talking and that shit just went out. Like, I don't even, It wasn't even rainy. Wasn't even cloudy. I don't know what the fuck happened. I don't know what happened, dude.
Man, we got to get Doge in there on the Department of Government Internet Efficiency.
Exactly, dude. Exactly. Like, literally, it just went out. I was like, what the fuck? That was it.
John and I were sitting there having a listening to you, and then you just kind of dropped off the face of the earth.
That was it.
So we just kept on chatting.
Yeah. I figured what's up, Brandon? I figured the room, I guess the room stayed open, I guess. I mean, I guess so. Shit.
Yeah, as long as the room stays open, as long as somebody's in there, they're good. So.
Wow. Yeah, that's interesting to know. I mean, you can leave the room open. But either way, it went out. It came back about 3 hours later, but by the time it came back, I was already gone. I had got frustrated, and I was like, it's not going to work, so fuck it, I'll just leave, go to the gym. But it works now.
Good not to be in a trade when the internet.
Dude, I was thinking about that. I mean, I do have a stop loss and a target, so I guess the worst case scenario, it's going to hit one or the other, but still, shit.
Yeah, if you got Rhythmic on your phone, you can go in and cancel your orders too.
Oh, I didn't even know. I don't have Rhythmic. I don't know. For some reason, I should probably have that stuff on my phone, but again, I got to stop in a target, so God forbid that ever happens when I'm in the trade, it's going to hit one or the other. So It's all right. What's up, Jason? But, kind of give me time to go back through some of my notes. Still trying to get over that NASDAQ / Eurinco chart beatdown. So we'll see what happens. Kind of mentally fucking recovering from that shit.
Yeah.
What's up, John?
Good morning, Jeff.
Hey, that's what I was telling Jeff, man, that internet, it just fucking died. What's up, Mitch? Yeah, that internet it went out. I was literally talking to y'all and blip, gone. I don't know what the fuck happened, dude. Sunny day, too. It's crazy.
Jeff and I had a nice 15-minute chat.
Yeah, that's what I heard. I was like, oh, the room stays open? I didn't even know the room stays open. So
yeah,
that's good.
We could chat. It was nice. So
that's pretty cool. Yeah. I didn't know. But either way, it's back now. So what's going on there, Mitch? So let me see here. I'm still recovering. I did go through my notes yesterday because remember, I'm not used to trading in the afternoon, and it's different. It's different. So I'm gonna be doing some things today, more for the afternoon. The morning, that's fine. I'm used to the morning, but the afternoon is kind of tricky. All right, y'all have a good trading morning. Let's see what we got going on today. S&P. Oh, news. Let's see. Do we have news? 7:30. We had unemployment, pending home sales. Wasn't that shit yesterday? I guess not. See what happens. Hey, glad you're here, Mitch. We are live on YouTube also right now. What's up? Y'all can see me over there. Wanna click on over to YouTube? You can watch me. All right, let's do that. That mental thing, right? Again, get over the curse of the Nasdaq. So let's see here. Again, one thing about me, those Apex accounts pretty much done, which again, I blew them up basically in NASDAQ. So I am looking forward to March. Clean slate. Taking the positives that we learned from the NASDAQ and applying them to this. It's just starting over, man. Just starting over. Seeing if we can start passing these damn evals, right? Shit, that's the name of the game. All right.
Hey, look at those unemployment claims going up. I wonder why that's happening.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Right. 92.75. Let me get set up here. Make sure I'm good to go. Still kind of undecided, but do have our first little key level right down there. All right. All right. There's our next key level. Let's see. Got the VWAP right down here as well. Yesterday was a good day. Yesterday. But the afternoon, I have to rethink. There's too much. I don't know, man. It's different than the morning. It's a lot more. It's a lot wickier, man. More, I guess, algos and retail traders. So I got a different afternoon game plan today. And again, remember, I wasn't trading in the afternoon, so this is the first time that I'm trading the afternoon. So I just got to get used to it. I was only trading the morning, y'all know, and that was it. After the morning, that was it. I mean, I might do that again, but I think I got a good game plan for the afternoon today. And all we can do is trade our signals, right? That's it. But don't trade something that's not your signal. Whatever your signal is, just be consistent, right? Be consistent, win, lose, or draw, at least based on your own damn signal. Right now, we're just kind of flopping around. Market's up 27. Dow Jones is up. NASDAQ's up 170. Glad to see that beast gone. And remember, the software will draw these key levels for us in a minute. It usually takes 3 minutes after. All right, so let's see here. I might look to go long here in a minute. Let's see what we got here. See if we can. It takes our negative, though. We need momentum. That's one thing that is, we cannot trade without momentum. So that's all we can do is look for the best opportunities that we believe is going to give us momentum, right? That's it. What else can you do? All right, so I might look to enter here if we can get a signal. Oh, shit. That moved up there on me. All right, so I'll get in at 05, right? There at 05. I'll get in at 05. 05.50, right? Right around there. Okay. So we can get some action up through that key level. I like to go long. Come on, give me one more push. All right, bam. Doesn't look like there's any momentum, but we'll see. It's just flopping around. Doesn't look like we're getting much momentum here. All you can do is follow your plan, right? Momentum or not. Yeah. There's no momentum on that move. Again, you don't, at the end of the day, it is what it is, right? I wish we knew when we were going to get momentum. But the good news is, well, I'd rather, you don't know, right? Just be consistent. That's how we traded for so long. Just be consistent. As long as you're consistent, you're going to win. But yeah, we always used to say this opening 3-minute trade is way more is aggressive, right? But it is what it is. You just got to go 2 points, man. You'll be fine. Charles went long. It's kind of moving around right now. He's going to get stopped out probably. Yeah. His stop loss is at 50, so this is going down. But again, he got stopped out too, right? Is what it is. There's nothing you can do about that. You just take your signals when they come. Okay? All you need is one big move, and you are going to crush it. Right? Yeah. See, Charles is flat too. I mean, me too. Right? It is what it is. And again, it's not about winning and losing, right? It's just about being consistent. As long as you're consistent, you're going to come out fine. How much is the commissions? $7.96. So, I mean, that's not horrible, I guess. All right, so let's see if we can break through the bottom. We still have time. Well, it's got to do it right now. If it doesn't break right now, it's just too long. And again, we went long, it reversed. Charles went long, it reversed. So what? I've been trading it for 5 years. You do not win all the time. But if it can't even go 2 damn points, I mean, shit. I mean, if it breaks short, I mean, we can give it a shot. It's a late break. I'm going to back off. Charles probably went short. He just takes shots, right? That's what Charles does. He takes shots. Oh, he went, yeah. Stop and reverse. I don't do that stuff. All right, so we got a key level going to be up here at 0725. Look, he went short. It might go back up. Just be careful. No problem, man. No problem. Just don't jump in to jump in. Keep stopping and reversing. I guess it'll work, right? Eventually. So it might go down. All right, so broke through the top, and then it quickly reversed. Again, whenever it breaks, you don't know if it's going to keep going up or not. Man, I really wish we did. If we could figure that out, we'd really be fucking badass. But you know, the VIX never broke to the downside either. So if you look at the VIX, when this candle broke, that VIX never broke. Something to pay attention to, right? That might have been a clue. Not, you know what? I need to start paying attention to that. I didn't even pay attention to that. That right there could have kept us out of that trade. All right, so minute and a half before our 15-minute range sets up. And just remember, Charles takes tremendous amount of shots. Okay? Just remember that. I can't do that. I can't. But I'm certainly not worried about a stop out. It's $200, dude. One more minute. The ticks are still negative. Right. We'll go ahead and mark this low. 77.25. All right. All right. Okay, we're good. All right. 0725, 7725. You know what? I need to pay attention to that a minute ago. You got 86 key level, 02. Now it's kind of just not doing much. Ticks are picking back up. So if you're short, you better be out. Watch your VIX. Watch your ticks. Again, I'm looking for that break of the key level. Watch your VIX too, though. A lot of patience. That's one of the things yesterday in the afternoon. Patience, man, that got me. All right. And again, once 30 minutes, I got some new, not some new guidelines, but I was, again, I'm still getting back into this ES, man. I should have never left the ES, but it is what it is. At least if I'm going to be losing or winning, I'm going to do it on what I like. And I like the ES. Market's up 20, Dow Jones up 223, Nasdaq's up 37. So the indexes are up, oil is up. I haven't looked at NVIDIA. What did NVIDIA do? I haven't looked at NVIDIA. Did NVIDIA get beat up or I haven't even looked? I forgot to look.
It's flat. It was down a bit this morning, but it's flat.
It's flat right now?
Yeah.
Okay. And look, I mean, yeah, all right. We were talking about that yesterday. It's crazy, right? How that can have such an impact. I think that's why that afternoon yesterday was just kind of awful. Again, we are momentum traders, hence the word momentum. If there is no momentum, it's going to be difficult, right? Took that long and there was no momentum. Again, I didn't really pay attention to that. I've been out of it, but that could have been a clue right there that was still trapped. So I need to really consider that big time. I know we did before. We had that aggressive entry. I'm not going to enter on the aggressive entry because we're not trading the calls and puts anymore, but I need to pay attention to that. That break might not have as many legs. That's something that if I would have just, again, I've been out of the game, but if I would have paid attention to that, I would not have taken that break. So that's very important. That's something that needs to be watched. Big time. That would have kept me out of that. And again, you're going to lose, but put the odds in your favor as much as possible. See, right now, we're up here at the 1886. If we pop, then I'll feel more comfortable. But again, it's got to break within a certain time period. We got a long day. Lots of opportunities. Just be patient. Take your shots when they occur. Eric, what's up, Eric? What's up, Eric? Exactly. and smaller losses. It's not about the losses. Smaller losses than winners. Crypto, y'all, what's up? All right, let's watch. What's going on? All right, I got to get back to the game. I kind of look over at YouTube when I can, right? I'm trying to focus as much as freaking possible. But what's going on, y'all? All right. Let's see if we can get some pop to the downside. I just do this for my own reference. I'm not going to enter there. I kind of get set up, but I am watching to see if we can get a pop. Again, I'm not going to enter there. Not yet. I always say what I'm doing, right? I'm looking for some pop down to some momentum, right? All right, just keep watching. Let's see if we can get some juice. See, it's going back up. Going back up. All right. Not yet. So they're kind of fighting with this level. I'm going to go ahead and erase that. This candle still got 2 minutes. Well, no. 1.5 minutes. It could flip on us. Ticks are pretty flat, though. But I guess you want to be ready, just in case. Watching this level. And I don't like this lack of momentum. It's got to happen now. It's got to happen now. It's got 1 minute. I'm going to draw my line. All right, so this one is not for the faint of heart, y'all. I do not like the lack of momentum, but if we drop through 72, I will go short, I guess. Oh, I don't like it. All right. I don't like it, but it is what it is, right? All right. All right, so we got +2. Yes, all right, we got +2. Woo! There we go. No matter what, we're break even now, guys, so that's good. So I'm in this. I'm not going to pay attention to my dog who's at my shoulder. Now we just need follow through, right? So ultimately, the target is 61. 61. I'm not looking at the chat right now. I got to focus on this. Okay. It did right there, Jay. All right, hang on. I'll talk about it in a minute. I'm in this trade, and I'm rocking it. You know what? You're right. I fucking missed it. I took it anyway. You're right. You're right. So I got stopped out. I made 450. Jason, you are absolutely right. Actually, hang on. Amount. I made 450. It opened up equal. Okay. So, okay. Yes. Damn it. That would have hit the full target. I made $450, which puts me back up. But that right there, hang on, I got something to say because yes, that was valid. Damn. It went back up, knocked me out. That's okay. I got 450. Whoa. Okay, yes. So Jason. No. We can't annotate them on YouTube. But I'm going to say this. Remind me to talk about that in a little bit. Okay, and I'm going to put this message right now. Okay, so I can't talk about it, but the answer is it was equal. Equal. Okay, I can't talk about the rules right now, but yes, it was valid. Two different ones, okay? And again, just remind me to talk about it because that right there, damn, that did go the 10. So it got me at 450, so I'm up $150. So actually that one made 350. Yeah, so it made it to the 5 and then it went back and nicked me. Okay? But just remind me later, I'll go back to that. But yes, that what I just typed in the chat, it's a little bit different. But anyway, that did go 10. So all right. So let me kind of reset the brain. Make sure you remind me, Jason, so I can talk about it. But I think you got it. But yes, it's different. It's different on that one. And it did open up equal, which that one's fine. It's just the top one. But I'm going to stop talking about it. Either way, that right there, it got my 5. No. Well, that one opened up equal. It did open up equal. Exactly equal. It's the same exact one right there. See it? Right here? All I know is, damn, that nicked my ass out, 350. Then it went to the full 10. All right. Now we're down 20. It's the body. It's the body. It's the body. And it did. It opened up equal right there. Equal to the body. Right there. That's equal. There's a little gap because there's a gap, but it's equal. It's exactly the same. Yeah. But the top one has to open up higher. I can't be going over the rules right now. Talk about that later. All right. So let's keep rolling. Now I'm going to go ahead and get back in the game. All right. So now we got a key level here. I need to pay attention. All right. Boom. All right. So all right, let's watch. Pay attention to the VIX. Pay attention to everything. Ticks are down. Get focused. Okay, I'm gonna play this one. Okay, so let's get our line set up. I'm gonna be looking again. I'm not entering yet. I'll tell you when. All right, so watch out for the trap. Watch out for the fake out. Everything looks good. I'm going to be looking to go short. Equal. I'm going to back off. I'm going to back off. You can get in if you want, but... So I'm going to type in the chat. That's the only reason I didn't get in. But again, that's fine. That's fine. You can get in if it meets your criteria. All right, things are happening quick. The VIX did pop, so this could go down. I'm going to just wait for my next entry. Plenty of opportunity. I am going to make sure that I'm not trading against anything. And if I mess up on my rule, it's because I've been out of the damn game. I'll be honest with you. I didn't even look at that, Jason. I'm going to be straight up with you. I forgot to even look at that. I see it now, but in real time, I forgot. I'm not going to lie. I'm still kind of like out of it, man. Going back up. See? That was good. If you jumped in right now because you were bored, you probably stopped out. Okay. So let me type the key levels in the group. I used to do that. I forgot. So it's 1980 and 1802. Okay. See, this one going back up. This would have tore us up. But it did. It was a valid signal, but I wasn't even looking at that. It's not good. So I'm going to go ahead and erase this line because now it draws it. I like the software drawing it better. All right, so I'm going to be looking for that number 2. Plenty of opportunities. Plenty. We broke this 30-minute range. I do not want it to go back. What's up, Dr. Al? Let me repeat. We broke the 30-minute range. I do not want it to go back in the range. We are looking for continued momentum in a direction. Period. That's it. So I'm going to watch to see if I can get setup number 2. Same to you, Eric. I want to see how we react to this, okay? I'm going to zoom in just for a minute. God dang it. Sometimes it doesn't let you zoom in. So for whatever reason, you got to just draw like a price level. I don't know why. And then it lets you zoom in. I don't know why it does that. I want to see, okay, let's see how we react here. This is very important for me. This candle has 1 minute. It's very important. This could end up being a trap. Could be a trap. This market is on crack, dude. This market is on. Oh, baby. If you went short, you lost. Unless you have a big stop. And I don't recommend a big stop. It's some crazy. Yes, indeed, Charles. Look at Charles. Charles said this is some crazy trading. It is. Now, so here's the deal. For me, I'm going to stick to my plan. Okay? And here's the main thing with me. I have no problem trading inside this 30-minute range. But once we have a trap or a fake out, well, in this case, not necessarily a fake out, but this trap, I'm off. I'm done. I'm not going to trade inside the range. I'm going to be very picky. Look, man, it's $50 a point. We're trading 2 contracts. It's only a $50,000 evaluation. We don't need to overtrade. We don't need to overtrade. Overtrading, all we need is like 2 or 3 good trades, and you're up a lot of money. Right now, I'm up $150. I lost the first trade, won the second trade. I'm up $150. And I'm copy trading also. Now, the trade that I won, I'm not going to say I broke the rule. I didn't break the rule, but I forgot to even look at it. Going at it now, though, it would have been fine, right? But at the time, I forgot. I'm telling you, man, I still got this NASDAQ Eurinko charts on my brain. But if you're going to trade inside this range, be very careful. Because I can't stress you this enough. I was thinking about yesterday in the afternoon. I was going back through my notes. We have to have momentum. If there's no momentum, what do you do? Right? You can't do nothing. You can get killed is what you could do. NASDAQ's down 230. I'm sure those Eurinko charts are going nuts. I got Sierra charts pulled up. Why is Sierra charts drawing a green line? I didn't even draw a green line. What the fuck, dude? It's drawing a green line. That's weird. I didn't even draw a green line. Huh. Again, I got
right click on it. If it's a drawing line, you can erase it.
Yeah, I erased it. I was wondering like why it drew it. I was like, I didn't draw it.
That's the default line, horizontal line. So I've gotten some occasionally too.
Yeah, I looked up and I'm like, I don't remember drawing that line. That's I just erased it. Yeah, I didn't get erased. Like if you look at it here, I had this line. I already erased it. It was like right here, and I'm like, I didn't draw that line. What the hell is that, dude? It's weird. Charles says, we are in a bias down target met. Has to break 38 to go down. See, look what Charles put in there. Had a couple of quick losses. Stops too tight. Hang on. Even Charles is a little tricky. He took a couple of losses here, right? Again, it's not easy, man. Fucking sorry, dude. Trading is difficult. Dude, Dr. Al. Yeah, those Urenco charts were sick. Dr. Al said, I can just imagine those stair-stepping Rinko candles. Let me tell you, I had nightmares about those Unarinco candles. I hate them. Sorry, I hate them. I will never go back in my life to those Unarinco candles. I'm going to stay right where I'm at. If you trade inside this range, be careful. Dude, you have nightmares falling down the stairs. Exactly. See, it's very deceiving over here, right? If you look at it right here, it looks like it opened up higher, but it did not. It's actually equal. It's literally equal, but it looks like it opened up higher. That's how it was on the other one. Even though I forgot to look. But it was. It was exactly like that, but to the downside. So here's what's happening right now. Remember what we said. After we got this trap, okay, after we got this trap, if you notice, it came at the 128. After we got the trap, we're now kind of grinding it back inside. If you look at the VIX, it's a no bias as well. This is tricky. I won't be trading this because I just want my good, clean trades every day, be consistent, and get the heck out. Just because this is a prop firm, yes. But, okay, so that's a great question. So it wasn't in my rule, but think about the trade that we lost. That's very interesting. Okay, we want to see confirmation. I believe if we are going to take a setup number one, we need confirmation. So yes, that's important. We would not have taken that first trade if I would have looked at that. Now, that's not in my rule. Like, I didn't write that in my rule prior, but just looking at it, that's something that we definitely, I believe, should pay attention to. We can talk about that later on when we are inside the mastermind, but that's important. Remember, we need momentum. We took the breakout. It didn't follow through. We lost. The VIX never told us it was going to break out. Again, back to what I was saying. Just because we're trading these evaluations or PAs and it's not our money per se, doesn't mean that we don't need to be strategic. Because before you know it, you'll be down $500, $600, $700, $800, $1,000 in your eval or your PA. And then mentally, I'm telling you, that's going to mess you up. That was messing me up with those damn Unarincos. Shit. I'd be down like $1,800 in like fucking 30 seconds. How good is that for your psyche? Not very good. You know, that was happening to y'all too. Well, I don't know if y'all were down that much that fast. I don't know, but I was. And then you took another trade. Yeah, 250. PTSD, 250, 250, 250. Well, shit. Mine was 1,500, 1,500, 1,500. The wrong way. Right now, I'm up $150 copy trading. Unfortunately, these accounts are going to expire soon. So, and I'm not going to over trade just to try to get stupid. I can't do that, which means I'm going to accept. I'm just going to trade good. I'm going to reset these, or what I'm going to do what John told me yesterday, which I didn't even think about that. That's what I'm going to do if it's not blown up. Yeah, it is. Well, those Urinkos that we were trading, they were set, but it was just fucking difficult. Exactly. That's the best. I'm long. There it goes. Yes, it went down. Got it. 250. You're like, what? You just went long. Oh my God. Right now, guys, this is where you're going to get chopped up. You trade in here, you dead. Exact. Almost got it. I don't know if you're trading, but 250, 250. All right, here it goes. If it comes up here, I'm going to go short. I'm not really, but y'all know what I'm talking about. If it comes up here, I'm going to go short. Comes up here. Okay. All right, there it goes. It's going long. Got it. 250. You're like, what? You just said you were going to go short. Oh, no. You need to get better on your entries. Fucking nightmare, dude. Fucking nightmare. Mitch, that's some funny shit, right? Yeah, those damn Rinko charts will give you nightmares. Nightmares. Look, and then that one candle will bounce up and down for like 40 minutes, and you're like, what the heck? All right, so live from New York, it's Saturday Night Live, and the host and your host, Mama E. Exactly. So let me just kind of talk. Again, I'm trying to talk for a couple things. Number one, it keeps me where I need to be. You don't have to listen and do a damn thing that I do. It really doesn't matter to me, right? I mean, I'm trading my evaluations. You're trading yours. It doesn't matter. But I'm talking out loud what I need to do. It helps me. Okay? I know I've been trading this ES for 5 years, and I've been winning. So, if I was going to trade inside Death Valley, I would not trade setup number 1. I would look for number 2 or 3. Anything inside the range, you would rather it break out of a key level and then come back to test that key level. And then go long. That's your safer bet. If you want 250, 250. 250, 250, 250, 250. Son of a bitch. All right, I got to go to the bathroom. I'll be right back. I don't know. I don't remember. $250, $250, $250, $250, $250, $250. Ta-da! Got it. Right, Patrick? Right, Raymond? Right, Pilot Jeff? Oh my God, this is a fucking funny. But I feel better. You know, and I'm done. I mean, this is my 100% focus from now on, man, in the futures. Obviously, with options, it's been really wild. The market's been on crack. But this, I mean, give me about another week to really kind of remember all the stuff that I was doing. I do believe you should be very strategic no matter what. Exactly. Exactly. Now, you talking about the Unarinco, or are you talking about here? Over there, you talking about where we were at? Oh, yeah. I mean, I didn't even know what to do. I traded it for 4 months. I didn't even pass one evaluation. I blew up 7 evaluations. I couldn't figure out the software. And nobody was teaching us. Trying to figure it out on our own. Like, what? At least with price action, we have an advantage because y'all been trading price action for a while. So, I mean, you can see candle patterns, right? Hammer, right? You can see that hammer, bullish pin bar, you know, a bullish harami. Look, I mean, at least you notice there's a bullish harami. You got a hammer, right? You add those pieces up. I'm not saying you would enter, but shit, at least you can read the damn candlesticks. Those Unarinco charts are on crack. All right, so again, if you take the direct breakout, be mindful of the situation. The ticks are picking up, though, nicely. We're back positive. So this is interesting. What a wild ride. S&P's up 11. Let me make sure we're still in sync over there on the other chart. Yeah. Dow Jones up 364. I could have swore a minute ago it was down like 300. This is a wild ride, man. Have a nice ride, Johnny. All right, so we're breaking through this key level. But what I'm going to be watching is this level up here to the top, okay? That's where I'm interested in looking at it. Ticks are picking up 700. Buyers are coming in, baby. And a big-ass candle over there. See our charts? That candle looks massive. How come it don't look that massive over here? Probably because my chart's all scrunched up. So that's our high we got to get through. All right? This area right here is very tricky, though. Watch your VIX. Look at your... I'm sure that's Charles telling us he's long. Oh, that's Dion. Watch out. So what is this? Hang on. What is that? What is that key level right here? What is that? Did I draw a line? What the hell is that? Oh, that's the opening. That's the opening range, the 3-minute low and the high. Oh, wow. Those key levels are really tight. So that's so right here is our opening 3-minute range. If we go back inside here, we're back in our opening range. This is what I told you, right? If you broke, well, I'm not going to say you broke the rule, but if you anticipated this was going to go long because you felt like it was, you gone. You gone. There was not an entry signal. I'm going to write something in our chat group. I'm going to write it right now. Look what I typed. Charles said he made a mistake. See, even the great Charles makes a mistake. Made a mistake. Had a cell stop laying in the weeds. Oh, he thought it was a bot. Stopped out for... Ooh, damn. Damn. Oh, I've done that. For longs. For longs. For shorts... When I say the top left, I'm referring to that chart. I'm just writing in our group. Yeah. So the key, brother, sister, right? Brother at the bottom, sister. Cannot, when I typed in there, just if you have any thoughts on it, just write it down. And then when we get into the coaching and the mastermind, I'll go into more detail. Yeah, no, I mean, but ask me later when it's quiet too, and I can really go over it in great detail. It's not a problem, man. All right, see? I mean, so here's the next thing. You can look to take a bounce off of that level if it's activated. Right now it's at the VWAP, so you activated the VWAP. If you want to go long, you can look to take a bounce. I'm not going to do that because everything inside this range is a flip the coin moment. And I will be trading smart. But again, if you're looking to take a bounce, this is the spot. But be mindful of your 2 levels of resistance. So just watch it. 250, 250, 250. That's what you're going to get. 250, 250, 250. This candle's got 1 minute to close. We're holding the line. What's up, Mitch? I could now. I don't remember. All right, this candle closes in 30 seconds. $15 seconds. Ticks are back here. So again, this little area is Death Valley too. I will not be entering Just kind of checking it out. There's a reason why I drew this resistance area. $9.30 inside this range. Setup number 1 is off the table. It's our no-fly zone, right? Or our no-trade zone. Y'all remember that? Look at that. It broke down. If you're trying to navigate this, you're hurting. Hurting you. I'm telling you right now, the thing that was kind of messing me up mentally was, well, it's an evaluation. You know, I can just kind of take a bunch of shots. Wrong mentality, man. Wrong mentality. Oh my God, dude. Pat's trading the Dow Jones. Pat says he's up $1,200 on the Dow Jones. I thought he was trading the ES. What the fuck? He said he was going to focus on the ES. What is going on? He told me yesterday he was focusing on the ES, and now it's the Dow? The fuck? I thought it was gold, and it was ES, and now it's the Dow? Jeez. I mean, that's good, $1,200, though. I wish I was up $1,200. But shit, come on. Pick a side, pick a side. Hers. Jason, what movie is that from? Pick a side. Hers. You ain't going to guess that movie. Pick a side. Hers. We'll see how good you are. That's a tricky movie. You got to really know it or you won't get it. Oh, I like that. So Pat said he decided to go with the one that wasn't choppy. He said when he looked at the ES, it was consolidating and gold was also. So he picked the asset that had the best looking run at the time. Oh, that is good. Actually, that's interesting. So he's looking at gold, the ES, and Dow Jones. And whichever one is moving, that's the one he goes and trades. That's that's very interesting, actually. I don't think I can flip back and forth. Like, well, it's not that he's flipping. I don't know if I can do that. Hey, whatever works, all right. If he's able to pass evaluations, then that might be something that we need to process. All right, so here's the deal, my friends. What I'm going to do right now is I am going to take my 150. I'm going to go over here, trade, and I'm going to lock it. Bam! Lock it. I'm going to take my money right now, and I'm going to reevaluate the situation this afternoon. I want to get into options, and then I'm going to come back in the afternoon. I'm going to go over my thoughts on how I think I'm going to handle the afternoon. Jason, you come in. We'll chat about that entry signal in detail. Mitch, take it easy. Practice like you trade and trade like you practice. Amen, brother. All right, we're going to pop off YouTube. As always, you can always join us in the school. Hang out with us every day, trading fucking all day. You're welcome, brother. Have yourself a great day. All right, peace out. All right.